Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Stellar from Bitmart to Kraken in 2025. If you're looking to move your Stellar XLM tokens for better security, lower fees, or just to diversify, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have accounts on both Bitmart and Kraken, and that your Stellar is in your Bitmart wallet. Start by logging into your Bitmart account. Head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Stellar balance. Once you're there, look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. It's usually easy to spot. Next, select Stellar XLM as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You'll need to enter the recipient wallet address from Kraken. To get that, log into your Kraken account, go to the Funding or Deposit page, and find your Stellar deposit address. Copy that address carefully. Mistakes here could mean lost funds. Now, back on Bitmart, paste the Kraken address into the withdrawal form. You'll also need to specify the amount of Stellar you want to transfer. Remember, exchanges might have minimum withdrawal limits and fees, so check those first to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and verify the transaction with any required 2FA or email codes. After initiating the transfer, it might take a few minutes to an hour for the Stellar network to process it, depending on congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Kraken and check your wallet to confirm the arrival of your funds. Awesome job! You've just moved your Stellar successfully. A quick tip: always use the Blockchain Explorer to track your transaction and ensure it's secure. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. See you next time.